Star Wars, nothing but Star Wars. Give me the Star Wars, don't let them end. Star Wars.
Hello everybody, so I have just got my gold chrome Stormtrooper. This is my first Hot Toys Star Wars figure, not including the DX, I can't remember what number it is, was it DX07 Luke? I think it was that, or DX04, can't remember. But this is the one where they have got the new license. It's also the only exclusive that I am getting this year. Wasn't interested in Disco Iron Man. I'm getting only from the Batman vs Superman the black chrome, which is a bit of a coincidence since this is gold chrome. Absolutely no interest in the Suicide Squad, and I think that covers all of the exclusives. This is my first Stormtrooper as well, my regular Stormtrooper. I still haven't got a Stormtrooper that is not in disguise like my Han Solo behind him. The again San Diego exclusive Sideshow Luke and Han in Stormtrooper disguise I got last year. The Luke in Stormtrooper disguise, I still have not reviewed him, I don't know why, but yeah, this one I just couldn't pass up. I really liked the look of it and just wanted a Stormtrooper. It sold out pretty fast as well, so I jumped on it straight away, and I haven't got a clue why, but on Wednesday I received a phone call from FedEx. They wanted my email to so they could send me an email so I could fill in give them some information about why I'm getting this. It's the first time it's ever happened. I asked on 16 Republic if anyone else has ever encountered something like this before, and no one has ever had. I asked FedEx why they're doing this, and they said it's the first time they've ever had a gold-plated Stormtrooper. Not that it is gold plated, it's just gold chrome. So I haven't got a clue what was going on there. Some people were saying you might want to be careful that they've opened it up, but this is totally sealed, it isn't sellotaped down or anything. So as I understand it, this is only available in Disney stores and in Shanghai and through Sideshow. So get rid of that. The box is nice, standard fare, Sideshow exclusive, MMS 364 Stormtrooper gold chromic version. All the credits on the back as usual. So let's open this one up, have a look inside. Oh, that's pretty bright. And there goes the box. So you got the Imperial sign there and Star Wars in the middle. MMS 344 again, Stormtrooper gold chrome. version. And there we have it. And nothing underneath. Let's get this a bit nearer. No, I don't have any Stormtroopers, no Sand Troopers. The nearest I have is a Snow Trooper, but that doesn't have the same mask or anything of any companies. But yeah, he's like he's got it's like he's the Emperor. He's got a cloth to protect him from I suppose scratches or anything. That's very nice of them. He's a Jedi. Is he going to stand? Will I get the base out? So there is the base, just Star Wars Stormtrooper. Then if I want to remove all the plastic serving its purpose. A little bit of a scuff on the back of the where was it? There. On the back. Maybe I'm being too picky. I have to take a photo of that. There we go. That's better. At least you can stand without me fighting till fall over. This is just, I don't know, halfway between cloth and paper. Definitely keep that. So, putting more in the middle. Definitely nice. There's one piece that has already come off. Has it come off or is it just fallen out? Can't see where it's come from. It's crotch area maybe. Ooh. The top. Or the legs. it's, I think it's the this bit here. The leg, the knee part. It's come unglued, which is definitely not a good thing. Whee, that was quick. That didn't last long. And with that, I'll be able to get a replacement. So yeah, that part has come on, it's come from there, and it looks to be glued on there. Doesn't look like you can just press it back on. So I'll have to leave that for now. Take some photos of that and send it to Sideshow. Oh, I'm not very happy about it. So, other stuff you get in the book, you don't get any instructions. You get, including the hands that he's got on, 7 pairs of hands. Let's take those out and put them on. A pair of fists, pair of blaster rifle it looks like, and just a relaxed palm open. You get the thermal detonator for his back. And that is it. And the extra hand pegs. Oh, there is a instruction manual, it's on the bottom. But I know that this is already on waitlist. Well, it's on waitlist ages ago, so I don't know if they will have extra parts. Maybe, hopefully they will. Let's see what the instructions are about. Probably just tells you where to put the thermal detonator. Where to put the blaster pistol. And slip the thermal detonator, complete as shown. All the armour parts on the figure are non-detachable. Not mine. Don't try to pull them off, otherwise the figure may get damaged. Don't pull off the indicated neck piece, otherwise it may be damaged. Don't rub or wipe the figure with thinner, benzene, alcohol or any corrosive materials which could damage the copper chrome plating of the figure. Okay, so the blaster rifle looks very nice, really nice. Weathering, I don't know, I don't think this is its regular colouring. I think they changed it for this version. On the photos it looked very bluish. It's probably just the lighting though. This is one area where they really outdid the Sideshow version. Everything else really looks the same, although looking here, I think the leggings are quite different here. That bit there, everything else is basically the same. Let's actually leave it there and take the camera off. Where my turntable is. I'm not really a fan of these belts because the magnets always seem to stay on there. I had to get a replacement for my Luke because straight out of the box the magnet was attached to the holster. So let's try and change the hands. Let's get a better view of him first. Let's see how easy it is. It's not too bad, but the pig came out. Okay, it's going to be easy if I stop the video here and come back once I've changed the hands.
Hi everybody, so just having a quick look at the two different types of blasters, one Sideshow and one Hot Toys. I think it's pretty easy to tell which is which. This one's Hot Toys. I don't know if this is the right colouring for the ones you normally get. The on the photos that Sideshow provided, it did look very bluish. I think that was just the lighting though. They are very similar, I think, except for in two areas. My Sideshow one's actually broken, so I can't see what the ammo pouch here is, but the main difference really I think is all these holes here. You can't really tell there, but they're not as pronounced on the Sideshow one. And also the top here on the Hot Toys one is much more thinner, and on the Sideshow one you can tell that it's mass produced, not as much detail gone into it. Also there on the side you got the little hole there, you don't have that one on the Sideshow. But apart from that, no, well, nice bit of colouring going on there. Apart from that, they are pretty much the same. Definitely Hot Toys is superior though. So just thought I would show that. I didn't notice that until now, but there is a little ring there to attach to maybe a belt or something. So that's just a quick look at those. Now on with the rest of the review.
Okay, so there you go. Finally did it. Must have. It's been a long time since I got a figure actually. Hand pegs that must have shrunk. I'm really glad that I did get this. Lots of people criticised it, but I do like it. I'm surprised that there isn't a special chrome Stormtrooper or anything down there, but I think it looks great. I think it will be a fingerprint magnet. But yeah, I will have to get onto Sideshow about maybe, I don't know, just a replacement ankle part, or will I have to destroy it? The leg here isn't looking very good. And here is the helmet that came with Han and Luke, non-wearable inside. I don't know if you can see, there is tons of detail. It's virtually the same as the Hot Toys Luke Stormtrooper into size. I think that one though, the padding inside the helmet is a bit different. So yeah, I think that about wraps it up. I'll just put it next to a Han. And there we go. I will get round soon, I promise, to doing a review of the Hot Toys Luke in Disguise. I think it is probably so far the best likeness of Luke Skywalker in 1/6 form. So I hope you enjoyed that. Take care for now. Peace to all. Bye.